Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Hey there, coders! Are you ready to supercharge your coding experience with Visual Studio Code? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these 10 essential tips will take your coding speed from 0 to 100. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Master keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Familiarize yourself with commands like Ctrl+P to quickly open files, Ctrl+Shift+P for the command palette, and Alt+Shift+F to format your code. You can even customize your shortcuts in the settings to match your workflow. Tip 2. Leverage extensions. VSCode has a rich library of extensions. Enhance your productivity with tools like Prettier for code formatting, ESLint for linting JavaScript, and LiveServer for real-time previews. Just head over to the Extensions view and take your pick. Tip 3. Use IntelliSense. VSCode offers intelligent code completion, which can speed up your coding. Make sure it's enabled so you get suggestions, parameter info, and quick documentation as you type. It's like having your very own coding assistant. Tip 4. Organize your workspace. Having a clutter-free workspace is crucial. Utilize the sidebar and drag files into groups to keep your project organized. You can also create editor groups to view multiple files side by side. Tip 5. Enable LiveShare. Collaboration just got easier. With the LiveShare extension, you can code with others in real time. It's perfect for pair programming or sharing your progress with teammates. No more cumbersome screen sharing. Tip 6. Customize your themes. A personalized environment boosts motivation. Explore various themes and icon packs available in the extensions marketplace. A visually appealing setup can make coding feel less like work. Tip 7. Use snippets. Code snippets allow you to insert frequently used code blocks quickly. Create your snippets or install a snippet pack relevant to your programming language. Less typing, more coding. Tip 8. Explore the integrated terminal. Stop switching back and forth between your editor and terminal. Use VSCode's integrated terminal to run commands and scripts right from your code editor. Access it with Ctrl+ and get coding faster. Tip 9. Utilize SourceControl. Version control is vital for any coder. VSCode has built-in Git features. Use them to manage your repository, commit changes, and push with just a few clicks. No command line necessary. Tip 10. Take advantage of workspace settings. VSCode allows you to customize settings for each workspace. Define specific settings for projects to tailor the environment to each task, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. And there you have it. 10 essential tips to supercharge your VSCode experience. Which tip will you implement first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!